Hello everyone, I'm back. I forgot what that reference was. But anyways, plants. I got a few new ones ever since Christmas, including this guy, this guy, this guy. This guy was really bushy, but then he shrank down after I put him in a greenhouse, which I also got for Christmas. So he's not doing too well, but he looks like he's gonna pop back up since it's spring now. These guys I did not get for Christmas, but I just put them in the refrigerator for the winter thing, and then I took them back out 2 months ago, I think, and they're doing really well. This guy, he wasn't doing too hot when I got him, but he seems to be rejuvenating so far. Also, I love these little babies. I think this is actually going to be a flower. It's growing really tall, and not like these other little guys. Also, if you don't know, Venus flytraps, they don't have other species, so while these do look different, they're just called different cultivations, not really species. And I water them with this, because they like watering from the bottom. This guy, I forgot his name. I think he's called Geranium. Yes, Geranium. I really didn't have to look up or research much about this guy. He's just been doing really well on his own. It's so different from the back side to the front side. Oh yeah. These are some pea shoots I got from my school. I got it before the not spring break. I got these pea shoots from school before the pandemic happened, and they've been doing well. I also have this guy on the ground. I forgot why he's on the ground, but I think he fell. Let's see. His name is Carnation. It's a Premier Purple Lilac. They've been doing really well ever since. These guys have been doing well since Christmas, and I haven't been needing to do too much. I might need to water him. He's feeling kind of light though. Next up is my holiday cactus over here. I really like him. He had this really big flower. I took a picture of it. I'll put it up on screen. It was huge, but it only went out of like one of the little tips, and I don't really know why, because it wasn't even the holidays, but it happens. I really like these little purpley pink leaves though. Also, look at these flowers. This guy is doing really well, and I think I need to trim this guy and take his babies away from him. This guy also has a flower back here, which I did not expect, because I did not see a flower when I got him. And I thought this guy would be doing a flower, but he hasn't yet. It's okay. He seems to be doing well. Oh, he has a baby! Oh, you see that right there? Oh, he's a new little baby. And next up is this little salvia I got here. He's not doing too hot. He really isn't. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I overwatered him since, like, I thought I didn't realize he was drought tolerant at first. But I think he'll rejuvenate back up soon-ish. Spring, summer, I think they like that. Oh well. I'm just not great with salvias. Now, next up for this greenhouse, which I teased earlier. Inside this wonderful little greenhouse, we have more pea shoots, because I got a ton of seeds from for like Earth Club, and no one else wanted them, so I just kind of took them in. And as you can see, these guys, they're all dead. Yeah, I keep forgetting to water this guy because he's like off from the rest of the plants, so I kind of neglect him a little bit. But those guys seem to be doing well at least. Sorry about the lawnmower thing, but oh well. Now I have to be a little more quiet because my sister is on an online class. But I also have this over here, and I used to have all the plants that were on the table outside over here, but the cat kept eating them, so that sucked. And if you're wondering what's in here, this is other pea shoot seeds that I did not have room for. What you're supposed to do is you soak them in a certain level of water, and then they like grow better, basically. And over here you have one of my personal favorites, a blue star fern, which I call Fernie Sanders. And during Bootsy likes to eat him, so I usually take him by his little hook here, and I go up to this hook and hook him up. Sorry, I never really do this with one hand, but yeah, this is what it looks like at night. I water this guy a lot because he's tropical. Yeah. In the day, I just put him over here to get some more sun, even though he doesn't need it. He's kind of a lowly white plant. Okay, next we have my new succulents. I put in this little pot here. There used to be 2 of these guys, but this guy bent over and basically died. You saw him, he was actually on the tray in the living room, rejuvenating. And this guy used to have 3 of him. I call him Lenny. Honestly, I forgot what the other names are, but I think I have a picture of them with their names written on it, so I'll put that on the screen if I can find it. I also have this guy. I think you know him from an earlier video, maybe? Maybe not, but he's also a succulent, I think, because I got him from a succulent nursery. And he is a very tall one, and he seems to be doing very well. And I think during the summer his leaves are going to get bushier around this circumference, because that's how he was when I got him. But you know, the winter and his leaves died back. And Leroy is doing very, very well. He was my first plant, gotten from my mom's friend, and he's just such a good boy. I love him. And also, this is a flowers my mom got for Easter. Now over here I have a succulent that I bought for Earth Club. I bought it for a big group Earth Club thing, but I got to keep this one because, you know, I bought it, might as well keep one of them. And I had a rushed paint job, so now the pot just looks like it's some sort of flag. Oh my god, what happened there? Eesh, I don't know. I'm gonna keep that there. But anyways, next we have I should name this guy. He's pretty cute. You know, for now his name is Lanky, because he's a lanky boy. And he's got some spider webs going on there. But that's fine, it'll probably keep out bad pests. And since he's so tall, I keep him propped up with these forks and some tape. Genius, I know. I should be an architect. And I don't think they need these big pots, but I know what plants they come from. So those plants get big, so I think I'll just keep it like this because I think they'll eventually grow into it. Same with these guys right here. I really like this guy. He's so cool. Oh, I also got these two for Christmas, by the way. And so is that one. I've always kind of wanted this one. He's really cool because he's hanging off the pot like vines, and it's just so cool. What I did for both of these is I just stuck them in the dirt because my friend just cut them off from their original plant, and then so I just stuck it in there, and eventually roots grew out of the bottom, which I was not really expecting, but that was really cool. And yeah, I think that's it for this plant tour. I don't have too many plants, but I really hope you like them. I think they're really cute. So yeah, subscribe and like and all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.